Hai, Assalamualaikum dan selamat pagi. So, saya nak teruskan kepada soalan tutorial hour 2. So, basically, question for hour 2 is regarding finding pH for the weak acid. Okay, so for weak acid, we need to know that we have a condition that we are finding the pH for the strong acid by using formula pH is negative log concentration of H+. And then here we can directly get the concentration of the H+ if the concentration of the initial concentration of the acid given, because the degree of dissociation is 100%. That means if we have HCl with a concentration of 1 molar, after dissociation, the concentration of H+ produced is 1 molar concentration. That means once we get the molarity of the H+, we can substitute into the negative log concentration H+, where we can find the pH of the solution, acidic solution. Or else, if we have diprotic acid, H2SO4, which is 1 molar, 1 mole of H2SO4 will produce 2 mole H+. That means, if our acid concentration is 1 molar, it will produce 2 mole H+, which the concentration of H+ will be 2 molar. That means, we can directly determine the concentration of the H+ as 2 molar concentration and substitute into our negative log concentration H+, then we can find the pH. So that is the issue, that is the strong acid without any issue. But when it comes from the weak acid, we cannot straight away find the pH because pH is negative log concentration H+. The concentration of H+ is not 100% as the initial concentration. It is because the H+ the weak acid concentration only partially dissociate. That means if you have 1 molar of acid, weak acid, and it is not necessary to produce 1 molar of H+. That means the amount of the H+ will be less than the initial concentration of the acid. It is due to the alpha or percentage of ionization of weak acid is very low. Therefore, to find the concentration of H+, we need to construct the ice table. Either to solve the concentration of H+, we are given the ionization, percentage ionization, or the Ka given. Once we get the concentration of the H+ at equilibrium, after we construct the ice table, we can substitute the concentration of H+ into the formula. Okay, so that is the difference between the calculation of pH of strong acid and weak acid using the same formula, but the way we calculate or the way to get the concentration of H+ is different. So this kind of calculation pH is same with the strong base and weak base. Okay, but we can change the pH to the POH. Now let's go to the first question, which is the concentration of the solution of weak acid is 0.1 molar and the pH is 2.85. So question asks to find the Ka. So we write down the dissociation equation of the weak acid, which is Ha dissociate to form H+ and A-. Okay, now the concentration, so it is weak, so we must use ice table. So initial concentration change initial concentration, change in concentration, and equilibrium concentration. Initially it is 0.1, and then the H+ and the conjugate base belum lagi wujud, so it is 0 and 0. So it will reduce by x, increase by x, increase by x. Finally, at equilibrium, it is 0.1 minus x, x, x. So since question 1 asks to find the Ka, we write down the Ka expression, which is the concentration of H plus product over reactant. Okay, so it is x times x over 0.1 minus x. Okay, now given the pH of this weak acid is 2.85, pH is negative log concentration H plus, which equal to 2.85. So concentration of H plus can be determined when you shift log or anti-log 2.85, or you can use calculator shift log negative 2.85, which the concentration of acid will be 1.413 exponent negative 3 molar. So the concentration of H plus, of this H plus, is the value of x. Okay, so it's equal to the value of x. Now let's substitute. X is 1.413 exponent negative 3 times 2 power of 2 over 0.1 minus 1.413 exponent negative 3. So the final answer, the concentration of bukan the concentration, the Ka value is 2.03 exponent negative 5. That's all for question number 9.